Hello friends, today at Pruitt Truck Sales, I'd like to show you this 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD with the 8-foot Reading utility body. Of course, the regular cab. This is powered by the 6.0 liter V8 gasoline motor. It is a two-wheel drive, automatic transmission. Does have the power windows, power door locks, remote control fob entry. Let's see. We've got the unit has 150,000 miles. It does have the AM/FM stereo with the media center here. Does have the USB ports there. This is your cruise control. It does have the tilt wheel. This is the laptop stand there. You have three seat belts all together. It does have the rear view camera. Show you the rest of the body here. So the Reading body. It does have the individual key locks there on the doors, but does have also the padlock that you can throw here, or you can slide that and throw a padlock on it. Step bumper, strobe light. Has the step bars on each side. But if you think this 2016 Chevy Silverado with utility body will work for you or your business, please contact us here at Pruitt Truck Sales or visit our website at pruittstrucksales.com. Thank you very much. Have a great day.